In this video, I'll show you how to fix a Meta pixel that is not firing. Start by signing into your Meta Ads Manager account and open Events Manager. Next, select the Meta pixel that's experiencing the issue. After that, click the Test Events tab and enter your website URL. Click Open Website to launch your site in test mode. Now browse your website and perform the actions that should trigger your pixel events, then return to Test Events to see if any events appear. Next, if no events are showing, verify that your Meta pixel is installed correctly on your website. Make sure the pixel ID on your site matches the pixel ID in Events Manager. After that, check your website's code or tag management platform, such as Google Tag Manager, to confirm that the pixel tag is published and configured to fire on the correct pages. Now install the Meta Pixel Helper Chrome extension to identify installation errors, duplicate pixels, or missing events while browsing your website. Next, clear your browser cache or test your website in an incognito window to rule out caching issues. After that, return to Events Manager and confirm that your pixel status changes to active once events are detected. Finally, test your website again by triggering different events, such as page view, view content, or purchase, to ensure everything is working correctly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix a Meta pixel that is not firing. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.